Me and my dad playing Call of Duty 4, and there's this random ring or some like glowy fire shit. I don't know why it's there, and I'm being killed. Okay, let me skip. Ah, shit, we got a headquarters. Anyway, it's not on my father's game, but it is on my game. Yes, we're rich bitches. Let me get back to that shit where it... Oh, I'll capture the objective. If these bitches stop killing me. I'm only using one hand, it's not fair. There it is.
Still there?
It's still there. Exploding thing was fired. I don't know what it is. 360 revolution around it. It's just a floating thing of smoke and fire. I don't know how else to explain it. This guy shot me in the face. That's enough, Mr. Man. That's still there. It's far away over there. The guy just walked right through it. I'm the only one who can see this right now on this cam. No one else can see it. There's a helicopter and it's freaking weird. Right next to me? Alright, see, this is my dad's view. See, there's nothing there, and he's looking straight at it. Right there? There it is. I'm looking straight at it too. And there's my dad. There's Dad, and he's right there. And, I died. So did he. And that shit is indeed going on YouTube. Because that is some weird shit. And we lost terribly. That 115 to 250.
I don't know what you're talking about. Do you have the headphones?
No, it has a microphone on it. And that's my dad.
I know, but you don't have your headset on.
Yeah, I know. I'm talking to the... So, yeah.